Put a finger down, sibling edition. Put a finger down if you have a brother. Put a finger down if you have a sister. Put a finger down if you have more than 2 siblings. Put a finger down if you share a room with your sibling. Put a finger down if you have an older sibling. Put a finger down if you have a younger sibling. Put a finger down if you're a twin or if you have twin siblings. Put a finger down if you fight a lot with your sibling. Put a finger down if you only have 1 sibling. Put a finger down if your sibling annoys you a lot. Put a finger down if you have a step sibling. Put a finger down if you have a half sibling. Put a finger down if you have more than 4 siblings.
I have 15
Put a finger down if you are
siblings.
the oldest sibling.